Welcome and thanks for joining us for What's Up New York, your weekly recap highlighting some of the best spots, shops, and stops throughout the 5 boroughs. Today we are celebrating Women's History Month and showing you all the different stops for the ladies. Starting off, let's check out a female organization that has been helping disadvantaged New York City women since 1999. The Bottomless Closet Experience is all about making women feel confident, prepared, and empowered to ace their job interviews, new careers, or just begin a new journey in life. Located on East 52nd Street, this fully female-run company will help you get back on track. They specialize in attire, resume help, and interview prep to help all ladies land their dream job or to get them back on the market. Once you land your dream job, why not switch up your hair color just a little bit? Check out Manic Panic. Owned by 2 sisters, Tish and Snooki, Manic sells vegan and cruelty-free hair dyes and colors, with colors like pink and green and even colors like yellow. What's better is that 15% of all proceeds are donated to charities such as the Breast Cancer Research Fund and the City of Hope. Manic Panic will give you the bright, vibrant color that you've always wanted. Getting married anytime soon? Check out the Angelique Bridal Sample Sale. This beautiful bridal shop is coming to 265 West 37th Street. Discover designer wedding dresses and gowns at a safe distance. Appointments are needed, but you can book your slot at angeliquebridal.com. Start shopping for your beautiful bridal gown. Now that you're interview ready with a new wardrobe, why not get your nails and hair blown out? The Julien Farel Restore Salon and Spa, located in the Loews Regency Hotel in Manhattan, is the one-stop shop for all things beauty. I got a chance to visit the salon and get all glammed up by the whole team. This is how I got my new do. Let's check it out. With spring right around the corner, we are here at the Julien Farel Salon to see the latest on the spring beauty fashion trends. Let's go inside to get all glammed up. We're all going through difficult times this year, but as women, we still need to feel beautiful. So how important is it for us to focus on different types of beauty? You know, like we're focusing on the nails, the hair, and the eyebrows. You know, what are you seeing in the salon that's different?
I do see a lot of focus on the brows. Definitely more and more women and even men are realizing that they need some brow grooming. They may ask for their brows to be trimmed while they're having a haircut. And with hair, again, it's fresh, it's new.
Well, you are the perfect example of this because when I first met you, you had very long hair and you chopped it off and it looks amazing. So tell me about that and how that helps with your everyday.
It's easier day to day, super short. Really fun. I can still get it back into an elastic. I made sure specifically because for working out, for nail trend, this is not a glitter season. This is definitely a muted but fresh, new, cool look for spring.
Perfect. Beautiful colors for us to all feel cheery and light and fresh in this new season.
I know. Happy spring.
Happy spring. I am with the one and only Julien Farel, the man himself, the legend, who is going to show me the hair tips for spring this year. What are some of the trends that you are seeing right now?
Well, the curtain bangs is very hot, so we're going to give it to you.
Let's do this.
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
God, my bangs, what did I do?
What did I do without them this whole time? Yeah. Seriously.
But you see the way like now the bangs fall into places.
It does. It feels very glamorous, but it's so simple for everybody
and
to
it's
do.
Not too short.
Simple little things any woman can do to feel beautiful this spring.
And I think that's what everybody wants today. It's to feel effortless, but to also feel a glam on a more natural way. And I think that's very important. That's why the bangs is a great hug.
I am now ready to go into spring with my new fresh look and my new bangs. Julien, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
After getting all glammed up, you'll want to show off your new nails and hair, so check out Dirt Candy. Located in the Lower East Side, Dirt Candy is a vegetarian-focused restaurant run by all females. Award-winning chef and owner Amanda Cohen cooks up dishes with fresh flowers and veggies. With dishes changing weekly, you will not want to miss out eating these colorful plants. For those of you ladies obsessed with shoes, the New York Adventure Club is hosting a webinar tomorrow night from 7 to 8:30 p.m. all about the history of shoes. Led by New York City guide Deborah Blau, this fast-paced event explores the history of footwear and the evolution of shoes over the past 10,000 years. Get ready to lace up your kicks and register for the History of Shoes, 10,000 Years of Fashion and Function on Eventbrite. Now, here's Jack with your weekly trivia. This time, it's Women's History Edition.
What's up, New York? Jack is back with another piece of NY2C trivia. Do you know which amendment gave women the right to vote? Was it A, the 3rd, B, the 14th, C, the 19th, or D, the 21st Amendment? So, do you know which constitutional amendment gave women the right to vote? The answer? C, the 19th Amendment. For the first 144 years of US history, it was illegal for women to vote in any national elections. That all changed in 1920, when, after much struggle and political action, the 19th Amendment was ratified and women finally gained the right to vote. On August 26, 2020, Manhattan's Central Park celebrated the 100-year anniversary of the 19th Amendment with a bronze statue of women's rights leaders to commemorate their contributions to American democracy. Though there are many fictional and artistic depictions of women around the park, this statue is the first to feature real women from history. Sojourner Truth, Susan B. Anthony, and Elizabeth Cady Stanton share the stage in this glorious bronze statue celebrating their achievements throughout the ages. For more about the statue and its history, visit the Monumental Women website or see the statue for yourself in Central Park's Literary Walk. And that's another week of NY2C Trivia.
And that's your week. Come back next Thursday to celebrate St. Patrick's Day with us and see all the new and exciting things that are going on around New York City and discover the best of the 5 boroughs. And per usual, make sure that you come back to find out what's up, New York.